Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a marathon with our JY family. Stay tuned. Ina uana lofa fua ya te tatsolumane ia pepe se hallelujah fa'afetai. Getting everyone in place for our photo. Check this out. Whoa, we look so cool.
I can pay good
My soul.
everything. That is right. That is right.
Can you feel the fire burn? I can't conceal this. Yeah. All these emotions inside. Yeah. 'Cause I want you to know I wanna grow with you. I wanna be your
thank you also to our sponsors. Take care and stay tuned for more videos. See ya!